Hello friends, hello, welcome to my channel Venus Tech Pulse. Today our program is on Python. The program is to convert a string to lowercase and check if string is palindrome or not. See, first I have to declare the string. String is equal to input, enter a string. That means I should take a string that should be inputted by the user. Now the string is converted to lowercase by using lower function. In the second line I have described string is equal to string dot lower. Now first the string is input by the user, and in the second line the string is converted into lowercase. So our first part of the program, that is convert to lowercase, the string conversion to lowercase has been solved. Now the second portion of the program is to check if the string is palindrome or not. If string is equal to string of colon double colon -1, that means the first string that I have taken, suppose the string is computer, okay, so the computer and the reverse string from the last position to the denoted by -1 to -1 -2 -3, like this way. We have already discussed it in our previous videos, how to number the string. So the string is equal to string reverse, okay, to check if string is equal to its reverse. Then if it is reverse with the original string, then print the string is palindrome, else it will print the string is not a palindrome, okay.